Hoi allemaal! Are you ready to take your Dutch pronunciation to the next level? Today we're diving into long vowel sounds, which is an essential part of speaking Dutch clearly and naturally. We'll cover vowels like a in maan, e in neer, and the tricky sound like oe in boek. And I will give you some clear examples and tips to help you master them like a native. So let's get started. Repeat after me.
We're gonna focus now, in this short module, we're gonna focus on the pronunciation of long vowel sounds. So let's dive into it. So here we're gonna look at the a and the e. So for example, the a in the word maan, and that means moon, moon. So it is pronounced as the a, but longer and lighter, right? So maan, it's quite light, right? So it's not a, it's man. Okay, then the e, for example, from the Dutch word lake, and that is a layman, the word lake, right? And then, for example, as in May. So the month of May, there's e in there, right? That is the same e, lake, e. Good. Then we go to a sound that's for some people in some nationalities very different. They don't have this sound, and that is the ö. And the ö is, for example, in neus, and neus means nose. So there is no equivalent in English, so try making a vowel sound in dirt while pouting your lips tightly. So dirt, yeah, it's a bit of a difficult one to explain, huh? So dirt and then pouting, dirt, But so that is the sound, but you say neus, So you see, I also put my lips forward, right? Neus. All right, then we go to the I and the oe. So the I is in niet is not. As in cheat, I, niet. Okay, then we go to the oe, and the oe is, for example, in boek, and boek is book, right? And that's the same as in the English who. Right? Who, book, right? Book. Yes, great. Few more. The o, for example, in boat, and that means boat. So as in no, right? No, o, when it's not followed by an r. When it is followed by an r, it's pronounced as in more. So then it becomes a R. So normally it's O, boat, but when it's followed by an R, it becomes more O. Okay, then we have U. For example, the Dutch word vuur, and that means fire. U. So there is no equivalent in English. Try making the short U, but bringing the tongue and lips even more to the front. So we had u, and now uur. You put the lips a little bit more in the front and you push it a little bit longer. Vuur, u. And many times before an R, the vowel sounds becomes much longer. So for example, in this word, vuur, you see, vuur, I do it quite long, right? Vuur. But in other sounds it could be a little bit shorter, but it's still a long vowel sound. Uur. Okay, so these were the long vowel sounds. Great job.
Geweldig gedaan. Good job. You've just taken another step with improving your Dutch. What did you find most helpful? Drop it in the comments below if you want. And if you want to learn even more Dutch, check out my online Dutch courses for step-by-step lessons, and you can find the link in the description of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss a new lesson. So see you in the next video.